Hello guys, in this video let us do a quick unboxing and review of the Red Dragon K530 mechanical RGB keyboard. Now this is a 61 keys compact keyboard which is a gaming keyboard and has quite cool features. This has a 3000 mAh battery and runs quite long with a Bluetooth 5.0 connect. Unboxing the keyboard, to the first we have a USB Type-C cable which can be used to connect this keyboard to your PC. Then we have some tools to switch or replace your keys. You have replaceable blue, brown, red. Now taking a look at the keyboard, this is a 61 keys mechanical keyboard. To the side we have the USB Type-C slot, power on off button, RGB switch and the charging LED light. So to the back we have these pads which will be useful when you're using your keyboard in a slanting position. Now here is the RGB switch. When you turn on you can see the beautiful colors pop up. So the typing experience with the keyboard was quite good. It was quite tactile, so here you can listen to the sounds. So this gives a very good feedback and you will love typing on this keyboard. So here is the RGB. You can see changes different colors and you can customize the same according to your own wish. So here you can see different colors pop up. So this will look pretty cool at night and on your gaming desk. So guys, that was a quick unboxing and review of the Dragonic K530 keyboard. Overall, this is a great wireless mechanical budget keyboard that you can buy. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel, that's the Trendy Blog. Written review and the purchase links will be in the description. So guys, this is Sai Irrigation signing off and I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.